6 is 2 plus 6 is 8.
Yes, 2 plus 6 equals 8, right?
And
Plus 3 equal?
6, yeah, and the 6 plus 3 is 9.
Yes.
And 5, put down 5.
Luigi, 6 plus 7 equals?
6 plus 7 equals 13.
يبقى 3 and carry
So
up.
3. So
1
3
8.
and carry up. And now we will do 8 plus 7. That equals to 15. And then we'll add the 1 that we carried. So 16. So
Yes.
6 تاني carry up 3. بس لما كان 2 we'll add it with 1.
Yes. يبقى the answer will be 363. In this exercise, he tell me work out the answer of this decimal addition. How we can add decimal like whole number. And we have 3.4 plus 2.1. This point after one digit and this point after one digit. So we can add 4 plus 1 equals 5 and put point 3 plus 2 equals what? Equal 5. 8 plus 4 equals what? Equal 12. يبقى 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 8 equals what? Equals 15. Another exercise. 7 plus 1 equals 8. And this is the point. 3 plus 9 equals what? 12. We write 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 7 equals what? Equal 8. The answer will be equal what? Equal 82.8. It's clear for you? Number A and
Yes.
C, number E? Yeah. Let's solve this exercise with us. We start with Jaida. 2 plus 9.
2 plus 9 is 11. So 1 down and 1 up.
Yes. And this is the point. Okay. 1 plus 5.
So you put a point, and then we do 6 plus 3, which is 9.
Yes, correct.
So
Right. The answer will be 9.1 or 9 and 1/10. Okay. 5 plus 7. Luigi.
So first thing we need to do is 5 plus 7. So that's going to be 12. So 2.
Carry up 1.
1. So that means we have 3 plus 3, that's 6. But yeah, we add 1 here. And then 4 plus 3, that's 7.
Yes, even the answer will be 76.2. Right, correct. In this exercise, we get 9 plus 4, Jaida. 9 plus 4 equals what?
9 plus 4 is 13.
Yes.
So 3 down, 1 up. And then 4 plus 8 is 12. So 2 down, 1 up, and then put a point. And then
1 minute. 1 minute.
8.
We have 4 plus 8 equals 12. 12 and we carried up 1. So the answer will be 13. Okay?
Oh yeah, صح.
يبقى not write 3 and carry up 1. 1 and 8.
8.
Yeah.
Sorry, 9. Sorry.
9. Okay. In this exercise, like number 3, he tell me work out the answer to this decimal addition. Use a grade like to this one shown on the right held to you. Not in this exercise, how we can get the answer? Point, line, we put point, and 1 plus 7 equals 8. 6 plus 5 equals what? Equal 11. Yes, the answer will be what? 11.8. In this exercise, how we can write it? We can write like 6.1 and write point here and write this line and put this point. If we have point, line, point. Plus 5.7. 5.7. 1 plus 7 equals what? Equal 8. 6 plus 5 equals what? Equal 11. The answer will be 11.8, which is this exercise. We want to solve another exercise like number D. We have 2 places in decimal. If we write point, line, point. 3.2, 3.21, 0.58. And write the sign of plus. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 3 plus z equals what? Equals 3. So the answer will be what? 3.79. Now I want to solve this exercise B and what and C and send WhatsApp, please.
B and C.
Yes, B and C only.
Okay.
B and C sent to WhatsApp.
Oh, yes.
مستر أنا لازم أكتب B to C صح؟ ولا كمان دي؟
Yes, B and C only. B and C only.
أوكي.
Jayda, are you finished?
No, yeah.
Thirteen point one, 13.2. Correct, Mujahid. Jayda?
I'm doing. Okay, done. I'll send.
You are sent to group, Jayda.
Yeah, I'm gonna send to group.
طب مفيش حاجة وسط يا جيد.
resummed. Okay, so
Okay. Yes. Correct. Correct, Jai. Yalla. Work out the answer to this subtraction. How we can get the answer of this subtraction? First, we say 8 minus 2 equals what? Equals 6. And 7 minus 4 equal what? Equal 3. 9 minus 1. We have 9 and cancelled one of them. So the answer will be what? 8. And 4 minus 2 equals what? Equal 2. But the answer will be 28. Here, we have 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 doesn't work. So what we are doing is we borrow from this 4, 1, and this 4 becomes 3, and this 3 becomes 13. And we have now 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 equals what? Equals 5. And 3 minus 2 equals what? Equal 1, and they bring down 8. Yep, the answer will be what? 850. If we have this exercise with decimal point, how we can get the answer? First, we have this point, and this point, and this line, and put this point. 7 minus 4 equal what? Equal 3. 6 minus 1 equals what? Equal 5. But the answer will be 5.3. In this exercise, 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 doesn't work. So borrow 1 from this 8, and this 8 becomes 7, and this 2 become 12. 12 minus 6 equals what? Equals 6. And put the point. 7 minus 4 equal what? Equal 3. The last one. 3 minus 5 doesn't work again. So we borrow from this 6. This 6 become 5, and this 3 becomes 13. And say 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 equals what? Equal 8. And 5 minus 4 equals 1. And they bring down the point, or put the point. And 2 minus 0 equals what? Equal 2. If the answer will be 2 and 18 hundredths. So in these exercises, now we want to what? We want to do this exercise 3.9 minus 2.5. I will do it 3.9 minus 2.5. And we want to get the answer. 9 minus 5 equals what? Equal 4. And put the point. 3 minus 2 equals what? Equal 1. So the answer will be what? 1.4. Now, I want to solve this exercise, which is number B, and this number C. But here, in this number C, the decimal point after how many digits? After 2 digits. But the point here, which is 3, the decimal point after 1 digit. So we put 1 0 to make the decimal point equal. But the decimal point in this number after 2 digit and after 2 digit, and do the subtraction. Okay? Solve B and solve C now, and send WhatsApp.
I finished.
Okay. Send it. أيوة. Yes, correct. Correct, Lujai. We hear Jai.
I sent it.
Okay. Second one is correct, Jai, but the first one not correct. We have 7.4 minus 3.8. 4 minus it doesn't work. And you do it that 6 and this is 14. 14 minus 8 equals 5 or equals 6, Jaida?
Equals 13.
14 minus 8 equals 6, not 5. Okay, جميل. We have 3.6. In this exercise, which is 6, we solve one by one. First, use mental method to work out of the following. يلا, let's Lujain, how we can get the answer?
Answer is 7.8
Yes,
because it's
7.8.
5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7.
Yes, correct. Number B, Lujain. 12.
أنا؟
Sorry, Jaid. Sorry, Jaid. 12.3 plus 5.5. Take your time. First, we start with the decimal part. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 equals what, Jaida?
3 plus 5 is 8.
8, and put the point. 12 plus 5 equals what?
7.
Yes, 17.
2.
And put 1. 12 plus 5 equals 17.
17.8.
Okay. Luigi, 8.7 plus 6.5 equals what? يلا يا لوجي.
أنا أسف الكتابة حلوة المايك بتاعتي مقفولة.
معلش.
7 plus 5 is 12. So 2, we'll add the 2 and we'll imagine the 1. We'll add 1 to each, so that's 9. And then we'll do 9 plus 6, that's 15. So it's 15.2. So?
Answer will be 15.2. Correct. Here,
Yes.
Jaida, 8.8 minus 3.4 equals what?
8 minus 4 is 4.
That's correct.
And then put the 3. And then 8 minus 3 is 5.
Yes, correct.
So 5.4.
5.4. The next one, Jaida. Sorry, Lujain.
So 6 minus 4 is 2. And 18 minus 7 is 11. So 11.2.
Yes, the answer will be 11.2. Exercise F, 12.3 minus 5.3 equals. Who is the next? Jaida, صح?
Yeah.
Yes, 3 minus 3 equals what, Jaida?
0.
0.
So this is gonna be a whole number.
Yes.
So 12 minus 5 is 7.
Yes, 7. The answer will be 7.0 or equal 7. Okay. In this exercise, like number A and number B, 1 minus 0.65. How we can add, how we can subtract this number? 1. طب خلينا انا احل exercise number A. So I solve the exercise number A and you will help me in this exercise number B. 1 minus 0.65. How we can get the answer? First, this one we can write like 1.00 minus 0.65. 0 minus 5 doesn't work, and this 0 doesn't work. If this 0 become 1 and this become 10. This 0 borrow from 10. This become 9 and this become 10. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 9 minus 6 equals 3. And put point and 0 minus 0 equals 0. يبقى the answer will be what number B? 0.35. Clear or not clear? What? Clear? طيب يلا
Yes.
يلا solve this exercise which is 1 minus 0.34. First, I want to erase
this.
then I want to write. This one we can write like 1.000 minus 0.324. Okay? What we are doing, Luigi?
Okay, so you will, can I annotate?
What?
ممكن ارسم في السبورة.
ماشي.
So first we'll cut out the 1.
Yes.
Then this one will become 10, but then we also need another one. So this will become 9. And أسفل بكتب الصباعي.
ماشي.
ودي كمان 9. لأن we still have another 0. And this will become 10 since there's no 0 after, so we're not going to get anything else. And since this is 4, 10 minus 4 is going to be 6.
Yes. We are 6.
Then 9 minus 2 is going to be 7.
Yes.
So 7. And then 9 minus 3 is 6. So
Correct.
0.0.
Yes. The answer will be yes. This is the correct answer, which is 0.76. Number what? Number 8. Okay. هنا بيقول لي في exercise that work out the following by rounding one of the numbers to whole number. And we have 5.9 plus 3.3. He asked me what work out the following by rounding one. يعني to not round the two numbers to the whole number, round one of them to the whole number. Like 5.9 equals what? If you want to round to the nearest whole number will be 6. And 6 plus 3.3. This 6 is whole number. So we add this 6 to this 3. يبقى 6 plus 3 equals what? Equal 9.3. Okay? Another way to solve this exercise, how we can solve this exercises, we can round this 3. This 3 become what? Become 3. If you round to the nearest whole number. So 5 plus 3 equals what? Equal 8.9. The answer 8.9 correct, or the answer 9.3 is correct. Okay? This is correct and this is correct. Because he tell me round one of the number, not both of the numbers. In this exercises, which is number F, like number F, we have 13.5 minus 8.9. This 8.9 equals what? Equal 9. Sorry, 8.8 equals, if we rounded, get 9. So we say 13 minus 9 equals what? Equal 4, and put the decimal as the same. The answer will be 4.5. Okay, clear or not?
Clear.
I want to solve this exercise number B and the number E, and send WhatsApp, please.
Number B and number
Yes, these two exercises, number B and the number E.
هو جسر أنا عندي small doubt.
Okay, ask.
اللي أنا يعني like it's confusing. هو بيقول لما بيقول rounding one of the number to a whole number. يعني اختار أي رقم وأعمل له rounding.
Yes.
I thought I had to use a specific number. Okay, تمام. Mister.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, done. I'm gonna send.
Okay.
I sent.
Okay.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, okay.
مستر أنا خلصت كمان أنا اللي بعد.
Jaida, you are don't round anyone. The question is what work out the following by rounding one of the numbers to the whole number.
مستر هي مش هنا دلوقتي. هي
اه
راح تلحق.
انت يا لوجين بعتي؟
بس هي يوصلك دلوقتي.
طيب.
مستر حاجة أنت صح؟
بس 1 minute. 9
stop.
17 16.4 or 16.9.
أنا كتبت لي اثنين الأرقام لو كانوا راوندين.
طيب لحظة بس. n minus. طب لا عايزين نراجع على الحتة دي تاني.
أنا؟
بصي نقطة يا لوجين. We have 8.6 8.7 plus 8.4. Okay. In this exercise, if I want to round it, sorry, no, this is 8.9 not 8.4.
آه
number E أنا شفتها كأنها 8.4 مش not 8.
لا
لا كده number
أنا
1 هتبقى right correct. Number 2 page 5 to page 5 4.6 9.7 10 minus 4.6 is 4.4 yes. This 10 minus 4.4. طب خلينا كده نتناقش كده في number E 9.7 minus 4.6. First, if we round this number, which is 4.6, become 5. You know, we say 9.7 minus 5 equal 4.7. Okay?
أوكي.
Right or wrong?
no sorry. إنك
Okay, يبقى
كتبت إنك
اه
هي 4.
يبقى 4.7 not 5.7. Clear? And if this is number is 10, 10 minus 4.6 not equal 4.4 again. 10 minus 4.6 equals what? Equal 5.4, not 4.4. Okay, Luigi? Jaida come to the meeting or not?
no. If she came, she was them back.
Hello.
انت جيتي يا جايدة 1 minute كده جايدة. طيب جيدة، هو انا تقريبا ما شفتش الانسر بتاعك. الانسر بتاعك ما وصلش يا جيدة. اه لا، انت وصلتي الانسر بس نوت ما عملتيش راوندنج. يعني انت you solve 8.7 plus 8.9 without any round. You write 7 plus 9 equals 16, 6 and carry up 1. You put this 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 plus 8 equals 17. But the answer will be 17.6. But in this
Oh, I
exercise,
didn't see that. I didn't see. I didn't realize we were supposed to the round.
okay, in this exercise, if you want to round this 8.7, become 9. 9 plus 8 equals 17, but the answer will be 17 point. Or we can round this number, 8.9 become 9 again. يبقى 9 plus 8.7 equal what? Equal 17.7. And so on, and so that for number E. Round one of them. Okay. In this exercises, exercise 9, he tell me will not what? Use a written method to work out of the following. We have this exercise 7.67 plus 0.17. So we write the number 7.67 plus 0.15. And we want to get the answer. 7 plus 5 equals what? Equal 12. يبقى 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals what? 8. And put the point. And 7 plus 0 equal what? Equal 7. If you want to exercise number I, minus minus. Minus minus means what? Means plus. Okay, minus minus means what? Means plus. And we add these two numbers 5.23 plus 15.5. In this exercise H, we have 77.7 minus 38.67, 66, sorry. So if I want to write this exercise, I will cancel it. We have this exercise 77.7 minus 38.66. Something, someone he can tell me if we subtract, there is no number here, but we bring down this 6. But if we write 6, the answer will be not right. Why? Because here we have don't any number. So we can write what? We can write 0. So 0 minus 6 equals what? 0 minus 6 equals nothing, because we can do subtract 0 from 6. So both from this 6 become what? This, sorry, from this 7. This 7 becomes 6, and this become 10. 10 minus 6 equals what? Equals 4. And 6 minus 6 equals 0, and put the point. 7 minus 8 doesn't work again, but this 7 becomes 6, and this becomes 17. 17 minus 8 equals what? 17 minus 8 equals 9, and put 6 minus 3 equals 3. But the answer will be but 39.04. Okay? Now I want to solve these two exercises without any rounding. The 23.4 plus 6.78, not the number F, 9.75 minus 7.95. Okay?
That's what it said.
Yes.
Done. I'm gonna send.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. First one, 16 point. Excuse me, we have 23.4 plus 6.7. How can the answer will be 16? We add, not subtract. Okay? Very
أوه،
beautifully.
وأنا بسوي الملتبل. أوكي خليني بس أجاوبه وهو addition.
ماشي.
Non-correct. Sir.
Mr.
Sir.
Mr.
30.18. Yes, right. In this exercise number 10, you tell me Amira recorded the mass of her dog at the start and the end of every month. Here are her records for April and May. Start of April 0.43 and start of May 7.22. End of April is 7.22 and the end of May is 8.05. In this exercise, he write what? During which month, April or May, does the mass of dog increase the most? Increase the most يبقى we do subtraction. طيب يبقى in April we start at 6.43 and end at 7.22. So to get the amount of increase, we subtract these two numbers. So we write 7.22 minus 6.43 and get the answer. 2 minus 3 doesn't work. And these two become 1 and these become 12. 12 minus 3 equal 9. And 1 minus 4 doesn't work again. This 7 become 6 and this become 11. 11 minus 4 equal what? Equal 7. And 6 minus 6 equal nothing. Equal 0. The answer would be what? 0.79 is the amount of increasing in the what? In the April. In the May, we start with 7.22 and end by 8.05. So if you want to subtract 8.05 minus 7.22, how we can get the answer? 5 minus 2 equals 3. And 0 minus 2. So what we are doing, we borrow 1 from this 8 becomes 7, and this becomes 10. 10 minus 2 equal 8, and put point. 7 minus 7 equal 0. But the answer is 0.83 is the amount of increase in May, and 0.79 is the amount in April. Okay, in this exercise, يبقى not mean greatest not a greatest amount هيبقى what in May. Okay, exercise number B. During June, the mass of the dog increased by 0.23. What is the mass of the dog of end of the طب هنقعد نركز كده معايا في الاكسرسايز. بقول هو في حاجه في المايك بصوت بيلعب او حاجه شبه كده عندكم يا بنات، او صوت هوا؟
ايه؟
في المايك كان حاجه زي صوت كده، هو صوت غريب.
مو فاهمة.
طيب اوكي. هنا اهوت في الاكسرسايز هو بيقول لي by during the June the mass was increase by 0.93. طيب هو start June with what? Start with June with the end of May, because if May after May June يبقى we start at 8.05. we start by what? 8.05 plus this number which is 0.93. How we can get the answer? 5 minus 3 equal to 0 now. I'm sorry. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 0 plus 9 equal 9 and 8. But the answer will be what? 8.97. 90. In this exercise, which is 11, 10 minus 3.7. How we can subtract this number? We bought this 10.00 minus 3.17. And now we will put this 0, this one becomes 0, and this become 10. This 0 borrow, this 9 and this 10. This 0 borrow from this 10, this 0 borrow from this 10. This 10 become 9 and this become 10. 10 minus 4 equals what? Equals 6. And 9 minus 7 equals what? Equal 2, and put point. 9 minus 3 equals what? Equals 6. يبقى the answer will be what? 6.26. Clear or not this exercise, which is A?
Clear.
Clear. طب solve number B and number C. Okay?
Okay.
I finished.
Okay, 10.
Assumption.
Correct. So first one.
Mir Rujin.
Me.
Zaid. Correct. Correct, Rujai. Correct, Zaid. Okay.
Mm.
Who can solve this exercise, which is 12?
Me.
Okay. Read first and tell me the answer and how we can solve the exercise.
Okay. At the cinema, B-Jock spends $1.50 on a ticket, $1.75 on food, and then $0.85 on drink. How much does she spend in total? I will first solve A. So first thing we need to add one by one, so we don't get any mistakes. We'll start with the price of the ticket and the food. So 1.50 plus 1.75. So 0 plus 5 is 5. And then 5 plus 7, we can add them. It's going to be 12. So 2.1. We'll add up. We'll add 1. And then that means we have 2. So we need to do 2 plus 1. That's 3.
Yes.
So the total for both is 3.25, but we still need to add one more time for the drinks. Plus 0.85. 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, 1 again. 8 plus 3 is 11, 1, and up again. So the total she spends is $4.10.
Correct.
And now she says B-Jocks pays with a $5 note. How much change does she receive? Right now we need to do subtraction. So we'll write the 5, but we'll add the decimal and 2 zeros after, since the answer has 2 zeros after. 2 digits after the decimal. So 0 and minus 0 is 0, but 0 minus 1 is not possible, so we'll borrow from the 5 a 1. So 5 slash 4 with the 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So she has $0.90 left, or we could say 90 cents left.
That's okay. Right. Correct. Jaida, read this exercise and tell me how we can solve this exercise.
Dwayne makes curtains. He has 4 pieces of fabric that are 0.6 centimeters, 1.35 meters, and 1.6 meters, and 3 meters long. A. What is the total length of the 4 pieces of fabric?
What we are do?
What is the total length of 4 pieces of plastic as the fabric? So that means you have to add all the 4 numbers.
Yes. We start by these two number and the last two number we start 0.6 plus 1.35. What is the answer?
1.96. Oh, sorry, 1.95.
1.95. Yes, 1.95. And the last two number 1.6 plus 3. 1.6 plus 3 equals what? Equal 4.6. Okay, we have 4.6. Then add these two numbers together.
The total is 6.55.
Yes, 6.55. Exercise B.
I should do.
Yes.
As Dwayne needs to Dwayne needs 8 meters of fabric in total. how much more fabric does he need to buy?
مم.
Needs to buy.
هو دلوقتي have 6.55 meters and he want to
Yeah,
get
so
8 meter in total. So how more fabric does he need to buy?
one. No,
Yes.
wait. So it
But
would
to
be
subtract or addition first.
subtract.
Yes, subtract. So we have 8.00 minus 6.55. 0 minus 5 doesn't work, and this 0 doesn't work. This 8 become what? 7, and this become 10. 0, this 9, and this 10. 10 minus 5.
It's 1.45, right?
Yes, 1.45. Right, correct. Listen to these exercises. Work out 2.45 minus 6.16. First, we have this number, which is 2, smaller than 6. So the answer will be what? Negative number. Okay? If we have two numbers different in sign, okay, and we want to get the subtraction of them, what we are do first? We put the sign of the greatest number, which is the greatest number, which is 6. And the sign of this is what?
مستر هو ده ازاي نيجاتيف؟
طب هو لما انا بقول لك لو قلت لك 2 minus
يعني أنا فاهمة إن الماينس ساين جنبه، بس كل المرات اللي بنحنيه
ما احنا اتفقنا دلوقتي يا لوجي او لوجاين ان قلت ان الماينس مينز شبه النيجاتيف برضه. اوكي؟ يعني انا لما اقول لك 2 minus 6 what is the answer 2 minus 6 it will mean negative 4. يبقى this minus like what? Like negative sign. Okay? يبقى we have 2 minus 6 equal negative 4. So in this exercise, how we get the answer? First, we put the negative sign. Then what we are do for these two numbers, we subtract them. يبقى we have 6.69 minus 2.45. 9 minus 5 equal 4. 6 minus 4 equal 2. And put point 6 minus 2 equal 4. يبقى the answer will be what? Negative 4.24. يبقى this is the answer. Negative 4.24. Another exercise like number B. But first, we have 9.38 minus 12.8. This 9 is smaller than this 12. So the answer will be what? Negative. And subtract 0.9 minus 9.30. The decimal point after 2 digits. So we put this point, this point become after 2 digits. So we put 0. 0 minus 8 doesn't work. Because this 9 become 8 and this become 10. 10 minus 8 equals 2. And 8 minus 3 equals 5. And put point. 12 minus 9 equals what? Equals 3. But the answer will be negative 3.52. Clear or not these two exercises?
clear.
Clear. Okay. I want to solve this exercise, which is C and which is E.
مستر
Yes. Finish?
لا هو بس السكند one
Yes.
is it negative 6.92 minus positive 5.37.
Here we have the first number is negative 6 and the second number negative 5.37. So the two number are negative. So the two number. So put the sign of negative and add these two numbers.
I know. I still remember.
هو جايدة في حاجة عندك او في حد بيتكلم جنب منك؟ كلير لوجين؟
Yes.
اوكي let's do it. طيب
بعت.
اوكي لا معلش انت جايدة يعني جايين طلعت اول اكسرسايز نكتب 7.6 صح؟
نعم.
انت حليتي اكسرسايز نمبر ايه اللي كانت عنده نمبر 8 نيجاتيف 7.66 صح؟
لا هو ايه، هو سي وبي اي.
ماشي اوكي بس هو اول نمبر ما كانش كده ما كانش طالع الانسر دوت نوت يا بنتي. اه لا سوري معلش لا نيجاتيف 14.2 بلس كذا لا ما كانش ده يبقى صح. ده انا شايف ده دلوقتي تاني اكسرسايز طلعتيه نيجاتيف 12.29. تاني اكسرسايز نمبر اي كان correct لكن نمبر سي not correct. do it again.
It's not 7.66.
لا
Okay.
I'm gonna send.
اوكي
بس أنا تاني جبت 7.6.
خليك كده معايا 1 minute ممكن يكون انا عملت حاجه something mistake. نيجاتيف 14.2 6.54. لا سوري معلش انا كتبت حاجه غلط. لا صح انت كده كده نمبر سي اند اي correct. اوكي طيب جيدة
That is correct.
ان هو بس نوت جيدة بس خلي بالك من حاجة نوت جيدة. انت كاتبة الانسر رايت 7.66 بس هي مش 7.66 هي نيجاتيف 7.66
Oh, sorry, I forgot to put negative.
and the last one is a negative 12.29. طيب عايزين
Sorry.
نشوف حاجة جديدة كده اهوت. exercises بتبقى جاية برضو من كامبريدج. دي الاكزامز اللي هي البيبر 1 وبيبر 2 اللي بيبقى كامبريدج بتحطها لكم احيانا. بعض المدارس اللي بتحب تختار بيبر ايه طبعا دي بتبقى كده الفيرست بيبر بتبقى بالمنظر دوت. نشوف كده الاكسرسايزز. طبعا مش كل اكسرسايز احنا هنبقى عارفينها بس عايزين نحاول فيها. enable a temperature in كذا at 06 is negative 3 Celsius. At 12 the temperature has risen by 5. What is temperature in 12؟ يلا في حد عارف الاكسرسايز ده؟
أنا.
قولي.
Is the answer 2?
Yes, correct. The answer will be what 2. So we write what 2. How we can get this 2? By adding negative 3 plus 5. Why plus 5? Because he tell me reason. Okay, 5 degrees Celsius. يبقى negative 3 plus 5 equals what? Equal 2. Another exercise, he tell me calculate 15 power 2.
Can I see?
Yes, 15 power 2. 15 power 2 means what? 15 multiplied by 15.
Yeah. So
Mm.
it's 225.
Yes, 225, correct. Jaida, this exercise root 81 equals what?
81 times 81.
No. You tell me root 81. Root 81 means what? Number multiply by itself, get 81. What is this number?
What? I don't get it. I don't get it, sir.
What is the number?
I don't know what you mean by root.
Any one of you, جايدة or طب تمام يا لوجاي، انت كده قلت الانسر رايت، يبقى which is what? Which is 9. طيب. I don't know, you take this lesson before, like the exercise 3.
Oh, wait.
We take it before, and we can,
Yeah.
how we can multiply by 1000 or divide it and so on.
Not
ما
really,
عملناهاش.
but we know.
Right, it's okay. It's easy question. How we can solve this exercise if we have 17.26 multiplied by 1000? If we multiply the
Oh,
number by
I know.
1000, we move the decimal point 3 places to the right. يبقى كده what we have, this is the point here, and move 1, move 2, and move 3. In the last one, which is 3, there is no number, so we put what? We put 0. So the answer will be what? 1, 7, 2, 6, and 0. Okay? Clear or not?
Yeah.
Clear. If we have this number, which is 3.8 divided by number equals this number, the point we're here, between 3 and 8, and become between this 0 and become 0, this 0. So this decimal point move how many places? 1 and 2. يبقى this point move 2 places, so we divide by 100 again. The number in the answer which is 0.038, and the decimal point which is here. So this decimal point move how many places? 1 and 2. يبقى move 2 places to the right, to the left. If we the decimal point move 2 places to the left, so we divide by what? Divide by 100. Okay. Exercise 4. You take up anything about probability or not?
No, no.
No. Okay.
الأسئلة ده كل مرة أشوفهم يعني it's so confusing. إزاي يعني how will you expect us to know the probability?
لحظة بس، الاكسرسايز ده هي بتبقى بعد ما تخلصوا المنهج. انتوا الحاجات دي هتاخدوها لسه. اوكي؟
أنا عارفة، بس قبل ما أعرفه أنا كنت بسأل نفسي، يعني قبل ما أعرف إحنا ندرسه بسأل نفسي هم عايزين إزاي يعني how do they expect us to guess the answer؟ يعني كده بقصدي like I have to guess the answer، بس أنا دلوقتي عارفة في يعني الطريقة دي.
اوكي. طيب is this exercise you studied before? How can write 27/4 as a mixed number or not?
Yeah. أنا عارفة إزاي.
قولي يا لوجي.
We will have to see in the fourth timetable what's the multiple that crosses to 27. It's 24. So we'll write as the whole 6. And then we'll do 27 minus 24, that's 3. So it'll be 6 whole, 3.4.
Yes, يبقى the answer will be 6 and 3. بص يا جاي. If we have 27 divided by 4, the answer will be what? We search about number. If we multiply by 4, get this 27 or the nearest number to this 27. Which is this what number? Which is 6. طب 6 times 4 equal what? Equal 24. This 24 need what to get 27? Need 3. So the remainder with me is 3. So this 6 is the whole number, which is 6. Okay? And this remainder as a numerator. And the denominator not changed. Become 4. يبقى the answer will be what? 6 and 3 over 4. In this exercise, we do what? He asked me to get the improper fraction. Now, how we can get improper fraction? If I know this exercise, which is 6 and 3 over 4, how can I get with 27 over 4? By multiplying 6 by 4. 6 by 4 equal what? Equal 27. Sorry, 6 by 4 equal what? Equal 24. 24 added to 3 get what? Get 27. But the answer will be what? 27 over 4. Okay? Exercise B. Write 3 and 4 over 5 as improper. يبقى like زي اللي لسه ما عملنا. 6 multiplied by 4 equal 24. 24 plus 3 equal what? Equal 27, and the denominator not changed. So, Jaida, if I want to solve this exercise, which is B, write 3 and 4 over 5 as improper fraction. What you do?
So what we do is we do the diameter times the whole number.
Yes, but 3 multiplied by 5 equals what?
3 is 15, and then we add the answer. Sorry, it looks bad. Then we add the answer with the numerator. So 15
plus 4 equals what?
Equals 19.
Yes, but the answer will be what? 19 over 5. Okay. In this exercise, خدتوا البرسنتج؟
We did take it in school last year.
لسه.
طب شوفوا كده اقروا الاكسرسايز دوت دلوقتي. طيب شوفوا ممكن تعرفوا تحلوه ولا لا. A book costs $15 in the shop. If it's bought on internet, it costs 80% of this amount. How much does the book cost if the bought of internet? صعبة؟ لا ممكن تحاولوا. مش مفهومة؟
مستر أنا ممكن أقدر أحله.
طيب حاولي كده اهوت، وبعد كده برضه نشوف الانسرز بتاعتنا كلنا احنا الاثنين، ونشوف مين الاسهل بالنسبه لنا الطريقه بتاعتنا.
ايه؟
طب لا احنا هنشوف دلوقتي، هنستنى بس لوجين to solve this exercise and then tell this answer is correct or not.
مش عارف، مش فاكرة ال percentage.
جايدة اللي بتتكلم صح؟
أيوة.
طيب ماشي، ما احنا بس هنستنظر 1 minute عشان نشوف جاين هتعمل ايه فيها، وبعد كده نشوف هتبقى correct or not. بعد كده I will explain this exercise.
Mister.
Yes, tell me what you want to do.
Is the answer 12?
12. طيب 1 minute.
Wait, استنى. I'm not, wait, I just forgot to step. I forgot to step.
Yes, the answer will be 12. طيب how we can solve this exercise? First, a book costs $15. يبقى this is the first number we have. يبقى in the tube. طيب in the internet, the cost is 80% of the amount. يعني not reduced, the amount بتاعتي هتقل. طيب costs how many? 80% of this amount. This amount which is what? 15. And of means what? Means times. So we multiply 80% times 15. How we can get this answer? 80% multiplied by 15 by writing 80 over 100. 80% means what? Means 80 over 100 times what? Times 15. Equals, we write this denominator as the same, which is 100, and multiply 80 by 15. First, we take this 0 and put 0 here, and multiply 8 by 15. 15 multiplied by what? Multiply by 8. 8 times 5 equal 40. يبقى write 0 and carry up 4. 8 times 1 equal 8. 8 and carry up 4 يبقى equal 12. يبقى we have 1200. and cancel this 0 with this 0, cancel this 0 with this 0. We have what? We have the top final answer 12 over 1, which is equal what? Which is equal 12.
مستر أنا عندي طريقة ثانية بس it's similar to it.
Okay, tell me what?
So first أنا بعمل like I write 15.
Okay.
I read like the cost out of 100 of the percentage ET. I cancel one of the 0, so I cancel this. I still have one more 0, so I will divide 15 with 10, so it's 1.5. Then I do 1.5 times 8, and then I get
Okay, correct answer.
and then I get 12.
طيب correct answer. Right. طيب جايدة بس clear to you the hot this exercise clear now or not?
Yeah.
Okay. طيب ناخد another exercise. طب الحاجات دي لسه ما خدتوهاش صح؟
Yes.
But we have done this before.
لسه. طيب خلاص سيب الاكسرسايز ده كده اهوت ده برضه نوت سكيل. طيب هنا الاكسرسايز ده you take anything about angles.
Yes, I noticed.
Okay. طب ماشي. هو جايدة لوجين اللي جاوبت المرة اللي فاتت صح؟ طيب جايدة can you solve this exercise to get the measure of angle A?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
how?
there's 33, and we know if the corner is a square, then it's 90 degrees.
It's okay, right, correct.
So what we need to do is we're going to do 90 plus 33. So 3, and then 9, 11, 12. So the answer is 123.
Yes, correct. What we are doing the last step?
Since this is 180 total,
Yeah.
that means we need to do 180 minus 123. So that would be 10, 7.
Yes. And 7 minus 2 equals?
0. So
Right. But the answer would be what? 57. Okay. تمام. كويس.
57.
Chris. طيب. You take this exercise before 34.2 divided by 6 or not?
No, not yet.
طيب خلينا نشرحها or explain it. We have 34.2 divided by 6. 34.2 divided by 6. We have this number, which is 34.2 divided by 6. First, 3 divided by 6 doesn't work. But we take this 34. 34 divided by 6 equals what? Equal 5. Because the nearest number to 34, 5 times 6 equals 30. So we write 5 and write 30 here. And subtract. 4 minus 0 equals 4 and 3 minus 3 equals 0. And bring down these two. طب هنا البوينت ده احنا عدينا عليه كده لما عملنا bring down لل 2 بقت this 42 يبقى البوينت ده تحط نوت up. 42 divided by 6 equals what? Equals 7. يبقى the answer will be what? And write 42 here and subtract 0 0 يبقى the answer will be what? 5.7. طب هنا عشان نعمل a check. If we multiply 5.7 by this 6 we should get this number. طب يلا check. 5.7 times 6 equals what? 6 times 7 equals 42. يبقى we write 2 and carry up 4. 6 times 5 equal what? Equals 30. 30 plus 4 equal what? Equals 34. يبقى the answer will be 34.2. يبقى we solved this exercise correctly. Clear or not يا بنات? Here? Okay. In this exercise, you study before parallelogram or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, but I forgot it.
You're not
Sir, can I answer it?
Okay. Tell me the answer.
So for A, we're not 110. So that means for C, it's also 110. This is opposite angles. The same angles looking at each other. And we know that the total for this is 360 degrees. And 110 plus 110 is 220. So we'll minus with that 360. 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then we divide it by 2. It's super easy math. So I think is the value of x 70?
Yes, correct. But it is the hard way. We can say what? From one of the properties of the parallelogram, each two consecutive angles equal 180. That means what? We have angle A and angle D are called consecutive angles. Consecutive angles يعني معناته angles ورا بعض، يعني كده angle A وراها angle G. هنا الميجر يبقى we have know that measure of angle A plus measure of angle X equals what? Equal 180. Because this is a parallelogram, so angle A plus angle D equal what? 180. If angle A 110, so measure angle G equals what? G equals what? Equals 70. So X equal what? Equals 70. But the way اللي انت قلتيه not it's correct. This is a quadrilateral, and the quadrilateral, all angles, 4 angles of them equal what? Equal 360. And this is what.
مستر ده
قولي.
طريقة المدرسة لما عملناها السنة اللي فاتت.
اوكي ماشي، بس احنا طب انتوا اخدتوا الباراليزم ولا لا؟ يعني اخدتوا الباراليل؟ اخدتوا الباراليل
لا.
صح؟ خدتوش الباراليل؟
لا
ولا اخدتوا كلمة
احنا
interior angle ولا corresponding angle ولا كلمة alternate angle؟
خدنا بس angles، يعني how to solve angles and the types of angles. ما
طيب
دخلناش deep على parallelogram ولا حاجة.
طيب اوكي ماشي، اللي انت قلتيها تبقى صح تمام. الطريقة الثانية اللي انا بقول لك عليها، الطريقة الثانية الاسهل، ان هو each two consecutive angle in parallelogram must be equal 180. Must be the measure of angles equal what? 180. يبقى so if we have measure angle A equals measure angle A equal 110. And my angle A plus angle B must be equal what? 180. If angle A 110, so this angle equal 70. وده نفس الانسر اللي انت قلته لي برضه. This angle 70 and this 70 and this 110. If we add all 4 angles, get what? Get 360. My way is correct and your way you're correct. Okay?
Okay.
And how Carl measures 4 angles of quadrilateral as 130, 65, 120 and 55. طيب هنا بيقول لي نوت الاكسرسايز ده جايده. بيقول لي نوت read this exercise first. read جايده.
If Carl measures the 4 angles of a quadrilateral as 130 degrees, 65 degrees, 120 degrees, and 55 degrees. Faith says he has made a mistake in measuring the angles.
Oops, sorry, mister.
طيب هو الاكسرسايز ده احنا لسه هنا كانت لوجي. Tell me what? This is a quadrilateral, yes? Why quadrilateral? Because formed from 4 sides, and any figure formed from 4 sides we called what? We called it's quadrilateral. And in any quadrilateral, the sum of angles equal what? Equal 360 degrees. Okay, so in this exercise of Carl, if we add all these angles and get the answer will be 360 exactly, يبقى the answer is correct. Okay, يبقى we have 130 plus 65 equals 0 plus 5 equals 5, 3 plus 6 9 and 1. يبقى we get 195. 120 plus 55 equals what? Equal 175. Then add these two numbers to each other. We have 195 plus 175 get 5 plus 5 equal 10. We write 0 and carry up 1. 1 and 9, 10. 10 plus 7 equal what? 17. We have 7 and carry up 1. Not 1, 1, 1 equals 3. But the answer will be what? 370. So this measure is wrong. Because there is no sum of measure of any quadrilateral on the earth equals 370. The quadrilateral must be the sum of angles equal what? Equal 360 degrees. Okay?
Okay.
نيجي كده الاكسرسايز دهوت. You take about the range or not? Range and median.
No, but I think I know what's a range.
طيب لا خلاص ده منوت خلاص يبقى سيب الاكسرسايز ده دلوقتي. الاكسرسايز ده بيقول لي write bracket in this calculation to make it is correct. طيب هنا الاكسرسايز ده if we have plus or divide or plus what the first we do it.
استنى 18 plus 10 to 15 3 plus 10. Nope. 8 plus 7. أنا عارفة.
قولي.
Is the bracket? Can I draw more than one bracket?
One bracket only.
Oh no.
First, I ask about. Yes, correct. Why? Because 3 plus 2 equals 5. يبقى we have 18 but not first not up. يبقى نحط bracket كده اهوت صح؟ يبقى not we have 18 بس not ماشي it's okay. بس هو 18 plus 7 لا يبقى هو المفروض كنا نعمل كده اهوت. بس هو المفروض 2 bracket صح؟ brackets right brackets اوكي. يبقى نعمل not 18 plus 7 equals 25 and 3 plus 2 equals 5. يبقى 25 divided by 5 equals what? Equals 5. Another way. Now, if we have exercise like this, 2 multiplied by 6 minus 4 minus 2. If I have this exercise, what is the first what? What is the first step to solve this exercise? First, we have rules, which is if we have times or divided is the first. Then what we are doing? Plus or minus. And before all of them, we do what? The bracket or braces. Okay? In this exercise, if we have no bracket, how can I solve this exercise without any bracket? First, we have divide. 7 divided 3 is the bracket. It's a strong first. But not we have 7 divided 3. 7 divided 3 equals what in our what? Equals 7 over 3. We have 18 plus 7 over 3 plus 2. Which is equal what? 20 and 7 over 3. But if we have bracket here, we should do the first in the bracket. We have 25. And we have, if we don't put bracket here, we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. So 25 divided by 5 equals what? Equals 5. Okay? لسه الايكويشنز دي انتوا ما خدتوهاش سيبوها دلوقتي. طيب خدتوا type of triangle.
Yes, we took these 3.
We have 90 and 30 and 60. This triangle is what? Scalene. Why? Because all angles are different. Okay? And scalene means all sides are different and all angles are different. Type. This is right triangle. Yes, right triangle because we have 90 degree. Type. This isosceles triangle, no, because there is no two angles equal measure. Okay? In this exercise, we have 50 and 80 and 50. This scalene triangle. Okay? Why no? Because in how we have two number line. Okay? This is right angle? No. Why? Because this is the greatest angle, which is 80, not equal 90 degree. This angle triangle is isosceles. Yes, this triangle is isosceles triangle. Why? Because you have two angles equal in measure, which is 50 and 50. Clear? Yeah, we start with Jaida. This triangle is scalene or not?
I think, yeah.
Again, Scalene means what? أو scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, all sides are different.
Yeah. Oh wait.
And all
Oh,
angles
I thought one of the 45
are
subgroups that
different.
are
Okay.
not.
يبقى this number C. يبقى this scalene triangle no. Okay, yes. لا دي اللي no. لا استنيني بس استنيني يا
Sorry,
جاي.
sorry.
Okay.
Sorry,
Wrong,
sorry.
yes. And this
Sorry.
true and this wrong. لا. This true. Why? Because isosceles triangles means two angles
Also,
equal or two sides equal. Okay. يبقى هنا اهوت we have هنا اهوت 45 90 45 يبقى this is what this is true. Okay. لوجين يلا يا لوجين true false false. اوكي. طب معلش نمسح يا بنات نمسحها كده نمسحها يا جاي يا لوجين. اوكي. نشوف كده exercise 15. مش عارف انت كده خدتوا حاجات على الفراكشن قبل كده صح؟
بس ما عملناش زي when we cannot like turn the fraction to 100 كده يعني عاملينه
طيب
بس.
يعني طب نفكر فيها كده بس حتى على الأقل نفكر فيها. Who can read this exercise?
I can try it.
Okay.
Okay. First, I think we can change all of this fraction with the denominator of 100. But to check if I'm right, I need to try dividing them. For sure, I know 4 can work since 4 times 25 is 100. But I don't know for 8, so I'll try 8 now.
Very small number, which is like 8. 8 can divide by 4. Okay. First, Ali has some sweets. He gives 1/8 of them to Susie and 1/4 of them to Tom. What fraction of sweets does Ali have left? هنا بيقول لي left يعني remainder with علي. هنا اهوت ادى علي كام هنا اهوت؟ علي هنا اهوت كان عمل ايه؟ 1/8 to Susie and 1/4 to Tom. يبقى we have 1/8 plus 1/4. Can you solve this exercise? 1/8 plus 1/4 ولا you not study before?
I know. It's 1/12.
Can I see?
It's 1.
Oh,
Yes, Jaida.
she already said it.
27.
Wait, it's not 1/12. It's not 1/12.
It is.
No. To plus, you need to have the denominators the same.
Yes, you want to make the denominator the same.
So 8 is already in the 4 times table. So we need to do times 2 times 3.
يبقى we
So
have
it would
1/8 plus 2/8 equals what?
3/8.
3/8.
Yeah.
يبقى أنا هوت علي what he do? He gives 3/8 to his two friends, Susie and Tom. So the remainder with Ali is what? Is 5/8. Why? Because his friends take 3 from 8. And the remainder with Ali is what? 5/8. And how we can get this 5/8? By subtracting 1, which means all sweets of Ali, minus 3/8. And this one we can write 8/8 minus 3/8, which is what? 5/8. Clear or not?
Clear.
Clear?
Yeah.
You study these polygons, this 3D shapes before? Squared based pyramid, triangular prism, and so on, or not?
Yeah, I
اوكي.
guess for me.
طيب
Yes,
if we
but I'm not good at all. Like I don't know the edges or the verticals or the faces of like different shapes.
faces firstly يعني if we have square based pyramid like pyramid in Giza اوكي اللي هي الاهرامات اللي عندنا في القاهره يعني not البيز pyramid that pyramid faces that means not احنا بنشوف فيه not فيه كام فيس في 4 faces تمام وبعد كده هو بيبقى عنده كام من هوت يبقى عنده 1 بيز من تحت عشان كده بنسميه 5 faces فاهمين حاجه ولا لا؟
Oh,
طيب لحظه كده هوت بصوا النقطه يا حبايبي مثلا انا اشوف البيكتشر دهيت الصوره واضحه عندكم صح؟
I
دي
that's a
البوينت اللي من فوق
square.
البوينت اللي فوق دي بسميه دي الفيرتكس بتاعتي تمام؟ البوينت اللي من فوق ديت او فين برضو يعني لو شفنا السمول واحد دوت او خلينا في الصغير دوت البوينت اللي من فوق دي بسميه فيرتكس البوينت دي بسميه فيرتكس طب هو الايدج ده مين ده اللاين ده كده الايدج طب الفيس اللي هو الشكل اللي قصاد مني التراينجل اللي قصاد مني ده كده اهوت يبقى فاهمنا معنى كلمه فيسز وايدجز والحاجات دهيت ولا لا
I
تمام دي افتكرناها بس الجزء ده لازم كنا ايه لازم الصراحه لازم اكون حافظه كويس لو مش حافظه هتبقى الاكسرسايز ده هيبقى اوت مني فلازم اكون عارف مثلا انه شكل عنده 6 فيسز وعنده 8 فيرتسيز وعنده 12 ايدجز اللي هو مثلا ممكن يكون كيوب او كيوبويد طب ترينجلر بريزم لازم يكون عارف هاو ماني فيسز وهاو ماني فيرتسيز وهاو ماني ايدجز اوكي هحاول ادور لكم على صوره كده للجزء دوت مجمعين فيه المعلومات الداتا دهيت بحيث برضو يتراجعوها لوحدكم طيب هنا في الاكسرسايز دوت بيقول لي draw lines to join the calculations that have the same one has been done يعني not half of 20 half of 20 equals what 10 and 10% of 100 equals what 10% of 100 يعني means 10 over 100 times 100 يبقى we cancel these two zero with these two zero so the answer will be what 10 this is 10 and this is 10 30% of 20 equals what equals 30 over 100 multiplied by what multiplied by 20 cancel this zero with this zero cancel this zero with this zero يبقى 3 times 2 equal what equal 6 يبقى we search about the one this or this or this to get 6 طب one of them gets 6 like 2 over 3 of 12 why not 2 over 3 لا not sorry not 2 over 3 of 12 2 over 5 of 12 2 over 5 multiplied by 15 you studied how we can multiply fraction by a whole number or not before Jaida or Luigi you studied this exercise before or not
2.5 times 15.
mm.
Yes, I
Here, يلا tell me the answer
so have to do first division. So 15 divided by 5 is
yes
3, and then 3 times 2 is 6.
and this 5 divided by 5 equal and 2 times equals 6 يبقى we can match this with this 20% of 35 equals 7 يبقى not مين هتطلع 7 هتبقى ايه الاكسرسايز اللي طيب هنقف لغايه هنا اهوت في الاكسرسايز ده او في الاكزام ده اهوت والمره الجايه برضو هنكمل عليه ان شاء الله بس الهوم ورك بتاعنا بس خلي بالكم انا بقول لكم على احيانا على حاجات هوم ورك بس مش فاكر احنا اخر مره اخدنا هوم ورك ولا لا
أخذنا.
طيب مين بعت لي الهوم ورك تقريبا ما حدش بعت لي الهوم ورك صح
بعد صح لازم نعمله اليونت. كان لازم نعمله اليونت I think بعد.
طيب نركز كده معانا احنا هناخد النقط الاكسرسايزات من اول فوكس دهوت اول 4.1 من اول بيج كام page 54 up to exercise what? Exercise 14 here. Page 56. تمام؟
Okay. So,
Page 56 in the workbook.
في الورك. كل مره برضو ان شاء الله يا بنات كده هناخد الاكسرسايز اللي هي كانت كامبريدج برضو منزلها لكم كده قبل كده بعض المدارس دي الامتحانات اللي هي بنسموها الباست بيبرز او احيانا بيسموها ماس بروجريشن تيست. يعني دي الامتحانات اللي الطلبه امتحنوها من 2014 من كام من 2011 سوري لغايه 2024 I think لغايه 2024. فاحنا هنراجع الحاجات دي وبعد كده المارك سكيم دهوت ده الايه اللي انا المارك سكيم دهوت اللي هو بيبقى ليه البيبرز بتاعت الانسر بتاعت البيبرز وهنشوفها برضو المره الجايه how we can solve the exercise to get the ايه full mark in this exercise. اوكي
Okay.
طيب يعني هنا كل مره هناخد جزء اللي انتوا اخدتوه في المدرسه وبعد كده ناخد ايه اكسرسايز من اللي ايه كامبريدج كانت منزلاها قبل كده عشان برضو نتدرب على حاجات اكتر من ايه اللي في ناخدوها في المدرسه ان شاء الله. ماشي يا حبايبي
ماشي.
تمام.
يلا بالتوفيق ليكم يا امارات. يلا مع السلامه.
مع السلامة.
يلا